All right, everyone. This is MDB coming at you here on Sunday, October 1st, almost 1 o'clock, and I'm coming at you with a new video. Going to do the monthly chart review. Why? Because it's the end of the month. Duh. The reason why you should look at monthly charts is because monthly charts have setups just like daily and weekly charts do, or even intradays, etc. Like, why would you not look at them? I mean, come on. Come on, people. Multiple time frames. There are trades on every time frame. You just got to look for them. So let's get into it. We're going to make this short, 30 minutes max. For anybody who's never watched me before, basically I like to whip through the charts real fast. I'm looking for what's going on here on the right side and looking to see if they set up for Darvas box breakouts or other actionable tradable signals. I have 6 lists here, and starting with indexes, and away we go. Let's just go through and scan and look for any new ideas that are setting up here on the monthly basis. The other reason why is if they set up, they're ready to go, well, the trigger could come as soon as tomorrow on Monday in the new month. So anyways, AMZ, this is the MLP index. I always start with this one. That there is a textbook Darvas box breakout. The box is closed. It moved up, did a little pullback, now moving up. Great for income. I have these in my income portfolio, and they're moving up because energy is moving up. Monthly view. It's so amazing how so many traders ignore monthlies. ARC, yeah, Kathy Wood. Who? Kathy Wood basically has done nothing. She had a year or two of glory, and that's all she wrote. Nothing here, no signals. Oil. This is BZJ oil. Darvas box breakout right here, and it's moving higher. Energy prices. NASDAQ, nothing. Actually, you can see here on the side, last month was sort of a signal that's sort of a hammer bar, but the signal didn't stick because, want to draw a line. The way you would have played that bar is if it breaks to the upside, then you're buying because you want it to go up, or unfortunately, you set this on the lows and price went to the lows instead of the highs. But if you're bearish on it, well, there's a potential signal because it's a failure. A signal failure. What is this? Ethereum, 2 inside months in a row. That's interesting. That's getting tight. Now, do we know which direction it might go? I don't know. So, draw your lines across the tops and also the bottoms. It's sort of a mini box. But potentially, Ethereum is going to resolve one way or the other, and wait until it does. Don't prejudge this until it happens. So that's just wait and see. What is that? FFTY, the proxy for growth, no signals. What you do have here, what I see on the monthly, green volume came in on the rally, and then whoop, barf. The bears came in and said, not so fast, sold down. Now it's back to doing sort of nothing. It kind of reflects growth stocks at the moment. China. We love it how he said China. Inside month here on Bitcoin. It's also formed a box, sort of a box. But either way, you could put it like that, because an inside month, if it breaks up higher, well then all of a sudden you're going to have an uptrend. So Bitcoin might have some potential here in October. Keep an eye on it. Gold going down. I had to adjust the box. Maybe the box after a month might even look like that. Who knows? This box is still developing. Nothing going on there. Nothing here. Nothing. Oh, signal failure. That's on housing. Bar signal there, downside resolution, that's a failure. And look, big red volume. Yeah, housing's got problems. who's buying houses or even qualifying for mortgages at 8, 9%? I mean, good Lord. Microcap index, box breakdown right there. Volume's low, but price is moving down. Nothing there. Healthcare, threatening to do a Darvas box breakdown. Threatening, hasn't done it yet. Maybe in October. Oh, what's that? Transportation, that's a box failure, breakout failure, because it's hit the top of the box, so you would have been stopped out if you had bought that. Where it goes from here, I do not know. Nothing, another signal failure, QQQs, just like the other ones I've shown. Come on. There we go. Nothing there, nothing there. See all these last month? All these signals right here told you to potentially look for a breakout. Unfortunately, prices broke down. It happened just 2 charts ago on the SMH, broke down. Luckily, SMH rebounded a little bit, but saw that happening. Setups last month, and then the triggers occurred in the wrong direction in September. This is why looking at monthly charts is a good idea. Oh, those are sentiment ones. The tan, this should be extended just a little further. This is solar. I'm short on the solar sector. This is just an ugly failure in my opinion. Classic Darvas box breakdown on big volume. TLT, breaking down. I've got a line drawn here. Most traders traded it like this. If it failed the line, short it. Look here. Red, 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 red. That's 5 months of red. When the price of this goes down, interest rates are going up. So nothing there. I don't see anything bullish here about bonds. This is the inverse of what we just saw in TLT. Interest rates going up. That's a box breakout. Uranium. At the top of the box right here, big green volume, but it's not really a breakout right now. It's just gotten from the low of the box to the high of the box. More work needs to be done for it to be an actual breakout, but who knows, maybe in October. What is this? REITs? Real estate? Box breakdown. Well, duh, interest rates are high. Duh. Housing, top of the box, now moving back down, big selling. Housing just, or interest rate related, just ain't gonna work. Energy, XLE, well, tried to break out a little bit, but came back in. Volume low, so maybe it has a breakout in October. All right, let's look at the next list. We want to keep going here, keep this moving fast. There's that textbook box breakout in AIIB. Now it's had an inside month. We'll wait for it to resolve in October, upside or downside. That's how you use that. AMR, box breakout, moving up. I am long this one. It's not marked on this chart. It's marked on the other weekly chart over here. Right there. But you can see if it's strong on one time frame, it should be strong on another time frame on the chart. If the time frames are in conflict with each other, there may be a problem. What's this one? Oh, ANET. That there is a Darvas box breakout. Big volume, but this one's kind of hard to hold. It's kind of hard to trade, but you know, if you have a long-term view and if you trade on a monthly basis using monthly charts, this is a buy. Whoop. Another coal. That's a breakout. Volume is low though. I prefer AMR. Cell H, there's that textbook Darvas box breakout. I sold this recently, here about 187 right in here. But on the monthly, it doesn't look so bad. So maybe you might set up again for a buy. We'll see. The ELF launched back here in 2022. What a lovely uptrend. How many months is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15 months of uptrend. And now finally a bunch of the big boys decided to take some money off the table. Doesn't mean it's over, but maybe it's going to take a break for a while. Box breakout, inside month. We'll watch this for resolution, either top or the bottom. NVIDIA box breakout, moving up. Well, this big volume here, a little bit of a signal. It's gone into an inside month. We'll wait for resolution, either top or the bottom. OII box breakout, little inside month to, herky-jerky, but now it's resolved to the upside. That's a nice bullish chart right there. I tried to trade this one and I kind of screwed it up, but maybe we got to buy it back again. See right there? There's your buy trigger. Boom. Right in there. If you had been buying that on September 1st, you would be sitting in the money. All right, next list. Whoopsie. There we go, list 3. Oh, bullish, but inside month. Another one to keep on your lists. See how it resolves, up or down. Nothing there. Nothing there. Potential. A signal bar here, and now an inside month here. We'll see how this resolves to the upside or the downside. A lot of inside months so far. Well, that's good because those are tradable setups. An inside week, an inside month is a tradable setup. Most people out there don't even know what a setup is. They say they know, but they don't really. CCJ, Darvas box breakout. It's just moving up for the last 4 months. Well, that looks bullish at the moment. Keep going. Dell Technologies. Big Darvas box breakout, big volume. Some people were doubters on that, but that looks like the beginning of a run. Doesn't look like the end. Put that on your list. ESTC moving up, but nice on the weekly, but not yet a breakout on the monthly. IonQ. I traded this one up in here, and look, it green, now big red. This has run into some problems in here. Doesn't mean it's dead, but the optimal time, it's not optimal for long trading at the moment. Wait, let it set up again. Oh, we're looking for more potential. Oh, Rivian. 2 inside months in a row. That's getting tight. I like it. And again, we're going to look for that resolution to the upside or the downside. We don't know where it's going to go. We can speculate, but who knows? Why is this off a little bit? I don't know. There we go. So it may move up, may move down. I don't know. But we'll set alerts and we'll pay attention. Roku, box breakout, big volume. It's still still below this moving average, so it's still not, it's going to struggle, but that's a textbook Darvas box breakout. The one bad thing here is that ever since breaking out 2 months ago, it's done nothing but pull back. And if it continues pulling back, usually the fourth bar of a breakout is where it can fail. Like go from right here and just get clunk. So that one's on the very borderline. The Stinger, nothing there. Tesla, on a monthly look, Tesla doesn't have anything going on. Although, no boxes or anything. Tesla has a yellow bar buy signal here, but normally when that happens, you want to see it take off. Instead, all it's done is struggle ever since. So maybe this isn't as powerful a signal as we thought. If we backed this up 3 months ago, I would have been geeking out about that. Well, there we go. At the time, I was like super excited. I'm like, oh yeah, baby. But then you bring it back to the present, and yeah, that's not so hot. Uber, not doing too bad. Yellow bar signal, inside month, almost a second inside month. So Uber is one to keep an eye on. URI, nothing there, nothing there. Let's look at list 4. And we got to get this moving on because football's on. We got to watch the 49ers because that is my favorite team, and maybe it'll become your favorite team. Go Niners! Let's see here. ZS, Airbnb. This is a bearish shooter signal bar, so you got to watch out for this one. If it breaks the low, the September lows, well then, good night. It might end up back down here in the 80s. So if you're a bull on Airbnb, that's your level to watch. Of course, if it takes out the high, well then that's a very bullish statement. But at the moment, this is potentially a bearish setup. Inside month on DraftKings. I've never liked this stock, but I track it. First Solar, I am short this one. And what is that? That is a Darvas box breakdown. Now, actually, this should be on a different list. The only thing missing from this is a big red sell volume bar. I would have liked to see that, but who knows? Maybe it pulls back to the monthly moving average, or maybe it acts like the other solars and falls on its face. I don't know. But this should be in list 5 because that's a textbook breakdown. Oh, this one here. Pink bar signal, pay attention. It hasn't failed. Nothing there. TMDX, textbook Darvas box breakdown right here. Big red volume. Nothing bullish happening there. That goes on the avoid list. Nothing, no signals here. All right, let's get to the 2 lists to go. Apple. Okay, this is a great example of bar number 4. A textbook box breakout is a 4-bar combo. Bar 1 is the breakout. Bar 2 and 3 is the shape of the breakout. Like, is it going to get strong or weak? Bar 4 is usually where the decisions are made. Yeah, this isn't working. Or we completely disagree. And you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, the failure occurs on bar 4. I expect Apple to start moving down like that. But maybe we get surprised. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see what happens. AI, nothing going on here. Bear signal here. Inside month, the next month in July. Bearish resolution, and now it's just starting to go down. This might be a great short back down to 10, or excuse me, 15. But I'm not touching it. Too hard. AMD, oh, let's expand this a little bit. Nothing going on there. Amazon, actually on a box basis on the monthly, Amazon's not doing anything. Only thing is this here, an outside bar, but volume is low, but that's, you know, that's not that bullish, but no signals. This one here, I keep tracking this, thinking it'll turn into something someday. Nothing going on. This one, nothing I can see. No signals. Bros. Textbook box breakdown in this. I thought this one had potential. Coffee. But for whatever reason, that's a negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full. Box breakdown, that is in a void. Or short. Your choice. Coin. This is interesting. If Bitcoin does rally, well then coin might turn around. It's roughly holding the edge of the box if we extend it like that. Sort of roughly holding, but man, this one is not easy. But keep on your watch list. We'll see what happens. Crocs, no thanks, nothing going on. Carvana, inside month, sorta tried to go upwards resolution, failed. Not yet a downside resolution, but it's controversial. But I don't see any signals at the moment, no setups. Oh, D-Dog, yeah, this is bearish white bar signal, inside month. Watch out for this to resolve lower in October, potential. Could go up, but this is what I'm talking about. These are setups. You don't know what's going to happen, but set alerts on all of them. That's what I'll do later after this video. Ugly. EMPH, nothing going on. This is solar. I'm short on this one also. Look at this. Negative money flow. Red, 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 red. There's for solar. We know about that. Google. Yellow bar buy signal. A little tough, but it's moving, slowly moving up. Overall, that's bullish, but you gotta sit and be very, very, very patient. Nothing going on there. IoT, the bull's dream. I was always pessimistic on this, thinking that these highs are not going to be broken. The bulls tried it once up in here, but whoops, failure, back down. Biggest problem with this is not that it's a horrible company. It's just the market cap versus what it's earning is really high, like high priced sales. So far, it's playing out like I thought. MDB, greatest stock ever. You know why. But no signals here. Microsoft, just hanging out near the top of its box. Tried to break out here, failure, push back. But they make so much money, they'll probably go for it again. Netflix, nothing. Oh, let's take one more look. Nope, nothing. This one, positive breakout, but man, the sellers came in here and now it can't get out of its own way. Maybe it'll set up again with a new Darvas box, but not yet. Not on the monthly time frame. Opera, huge signal bar here, huge volume. Ever since then, it's just been down, down, down. There's just nothing bullish here. Oracle, pink bar signal. This means pay attention. Doesn't mean it's dead, but it means you got to watch it like a hawk. Is it going to fail? Is it going to take off? Nobody knows. But this, when it turns pink like that, it means watch it closely. Decisions are being made. And here's a great example. PLTR, textbook Darvas box breakout, moved higher, big volume, moved higher. But then, whoa, not so fast, kids. But it's a pink bar signal. Simply means watch it, pay attention. Well, it hasn't failed. Instead, it formed an inside month. Now we'll see how that resolves. This might be a long trade right here. If it hits like, I don't know, 17, I might buy that. Maybe. Or it might fail. You don't know. Qualcomm, gosh. Box breakdown and hasn't been able to get back. Qualcomm might be in trouble. We'll see. Rambus has formed a little tough, but it's formed a Darvas box. Another month or two and it might really take shape. Shopify, box breakout, but moved up a little. Now it's giving it all back. These are old names. SoFi, box breakout, moved up, inside month, and resolved to the downside, but not that far down, but I don't know. Retail loves this. I'm ambivalent. One of my favorites, STAA, box breakdown, and now it's beginning to really move down. Just watching it, but I always thought this company has a lot of potential. They do eyes, but who knows? There's that TMDX, Upstart, no thanks. And last list, and then we can all go watch NFL football. Vago, nothing there. Berkshire, look at that pink bar signal at the top of the box. Interesting, it says pay attention. Maybe it turns and goes back up, or maybe it comes back down. I don't know. But this is a good representation of America, so we'll see. BTU, nothing there. Nothing here, nothing here. Well, inside month on Ford. Isn't that interesting? There's a strike going on. The environment is getting tougher to sell cars with interest rates. And what happens? It's an inside month. If this breaks to the top, then that's a buy signal. Hard to believe you'd be buying Ford Motor Company in this environment, but maybe you might be surprised. Or it may break downwards. We just don't know. Wait for the signal. Don't act until a signal occurs. Fro, oil tankers threatening Darvas box breakout here at highs. This is bullish. One to keep on mind. The other thing I like about this Fro, just looking at this, big green volume breakout here. You had a mix of green and red in here. And then all of a sudden after this, the sellers have gone quiet. Nothing. Big green here. Quiet. All these reds have gone away. The buyers are in control. Fastly, should call it disappointment. But this one gets a green box like that. Almost done. Globe, well, inside month. Watch for how it resolves. Meta, inside month. Almost a perfect, what do they call this? A spinning top? Almost perfect. Watch for a resolution, up or down. Nothing flashing here. Oh, that one I'm just tracking for the hell of it. This could be a box. Yeah, that's a box failure. Breakout failure. We'll see what happens. Inside month. rig. Oh, rig. This box should be shortened there. Rig is positive. Only thing is we wish there was more big green volume like there was in prior years. Like in 2020, big green, green. Instead, it's really sort of gone quiet, but that doesn't mean it's bad. Snow, nothing there. Toaster, nothing there. TTD inside month. All right, well, that's pretty much it for the monthly review. As you can see, there are lots of potential setups using inside month strategies. And who knows, maybe they'll resolve up or down. We don't know. But you got to set your alerts, pay attention, and maybe a winning trade shows up. All right, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Talk to you soon. Bye.